Namaskar, satriyakaal and salam to everyone. Welcome again to my captain classes, and today we're going to discuss about position reports. As I've already told you that in the next video I'll be discussing about the position report. So here's the first format, which is position report. I'll give you an explanation on the format, how the format is there, and then we'll go on the example. Let's find out what is there in the format. Let me zoom in. So as you can see in the format, the first point is the station called. So this will be the ATC unit you're going to call, and that will be the name of the station called. You have to put this ATC unit, and then the second is the station calling. That means the aircraft. So the identification of the aircraft can be by registration or the flight number. So you can use registration or flight number. Then on frequency. So you can see on frequency I have given put two inverted commas. That means this will be the spoken word, or you can say spoken sentence. There will be no change unless the frequency. You have to put the frequency and you have to say as it is. Now the position, again you can find out the position is an inverted comma, so again you have to say as it is. So in this frequency you have to find out the ATC's frequency in the map, and then you have to put the frequency in this case, and then we have to give the position in terms of DME, nautical mile, position reporting point, time, flight level and route. So in this case you can, if your aircraft is away from the position reporting point, then you can use DME or nautical miles. Otherwise, if it is flying over, if it is over that position reporting point, then you have to give the name of that reporting point. Then time you have to give the time at which you reach the position reporting point. Then flight level, you have to tell at what flight level you are currently flying and the route you are currently following. Next is the estimate of next reporting point, means from the current position the next reporting point, you'll reach that reporting point in what time, and you have to name that reporting point also. And the seventh point is the ETA of the destination. You'll reach your destination at what time. ETA is estimated time of arrival, so you have to give the destination of estimates, or you can say ETA of the destination. Now let's go on to the example, and you can see in an example I have given an flight plan. So you can see the flight plan is in this block. So flight plan contains all the information about the flight. So first of all, it is the Victor Tango Foxtrot Charlie Charlie, which is the registration of the aircraft, and it is going from VIDP to VABB. If you want to learn, if you learned the location indicators, then you will find out that Delta Papa VIDP is for Delhi and VABB is for Mumbai. So we are going from Delhi to Mumbai, and chop off time, the standard chop off time is 1820. This time will be in UTC, not in IST, which we use in India. So it will be UTC. And route you are following from Delhi to Mumbai is Alpha 474, and the flight level you cruise up to is flight level 340. Now question says you reach Pratapgarh at flight level 340, take action. So now I have to make contact with the ATC, and I have to give the position report because I have reached one position reporting point. So I have to give the position report at that point. So find out, let's go on to the map and let's find out which ATC you have to contact and what are the next reporting points. Okay. So this is your map. Okay, chart number 1. So chart number 1 is having Delhi and Mumbai. You can see this Delhi and Mumbai, and we are following Alpha 474 route, which is coming from Delhi. Alpha 474, if it is visible, Alpha 474, and it is going up to Alpha 474 and Alpha 474, and it is up to Mumbai. So you are going from Delhi whole up to Mumbai through Alpha 474. Okay, So now the question says you reached Pratapgarh. So at Pratapgarh you are at flight level 340. So we have to find out at Pratapgarh which ATC unit is there. So we'll start from here. The first is it is Aikaba. Okay, sorry. This is Aikaba, and then Juliet Papa, which is Jaipur, and Fir Gudum, then Idola, this triangle, and then Pratapgarh. Okay, I got the Pratapgarh. Now Pratapgarh is Papa Romeo Alpha, which is the code letter, or you can say indicator for VOR, and it is a VOR Pratapgarh. And at Pratapgarh I am at flight level 340, so I have to find out which ATC unit is covering this area. So how to find out the ATC unit? So you have to first find out the lines, black lines around this VOR. So we can find these black lines. These are going here up to, and then it is going up to here. So that means in this area you have to find out the ATC unit, which terminal area you are in. So you can see that Ahmedabad TMA, which is starting from 150, so you are in Ahmedabad TMA, but your flight level is 340. You have to find out whether you are in tower approach or control, or we have tower approach control or not in Ahmedabad. So we'll go to Ahmedabad VOR. This is Ahmedabad VOR, and we'll see tower approach and control. All three, means out of 4 only 3 ATC units we have, and the limits are ground level to 70, which is for tower, up to 30 nautical miles, and from 70 to 150, which is approach, up to 50 nautical miles, sorry, 100 nautical miles. Then we have Ahmedabad TMA, that means from 150 onwards the control will be taking care of this area. So we are at Pratapgarh, so we are out of this area and we are at more than 150, so we'll be contacting Ahmedabad control. So you can see in this we have contacted Ahmedabad control, and then you have to give the station calling, as you can see from the format. So this is the station calling, and then this we have given the station calling means the registration of the aircraft, which is Victor Tango Foxtrot Charlie Charlie, and the frequency is 134.2, which you can find out on the map. It is 134.2. You can see ACC 134.2, so that's 134.2. and then in the next point you have to say the position. So I have written the position, and then you have to give the position. So you are over Papa Romeo Alpha, which is the Pratapgarh's VOR identifier. So it is Papa Romeo Alpha. We have given up to here, and then time is 1935. This is hypothetical, it is not fixed unless it is written in this question. If it is written in the question, you have to put that time. Otherwise, if it is not, then you can add up the time from your chalk off time. So I have estimated that I'll be taking 1 hour 15 minutes to reach this point. So I've already added 1 hour 15 minutes. So this is 1935. Correction, 1935. Most important, you will not be pronouncing 9 as 9 in RTR, because 9 is wrong pronunciation in RT language. It is a 9er. So 1935, then flight level is 340, which is here, and route you have to give is Alpha 474. The estimate is Bodar and Sierra Golf next. I have given estimate of Bodar, which is the next reporting point, and I have added 10 minutes in this. So 1945, and Sierra Golf is after Bodar. I have not given the time, but I have told ATC that Sierra Golf will be my next after Bodar. Then I have given 88 Bravo 2025. This is also hypothetical. This is not a calculated one. This is hypothetical. I've just added few more minutes to this point. So I wrote Bravo, which is the destinations, means Mumbai's VOR code. Now we'll look at the maps again and find out why we have written Bodar and Sierra Golf. So you can see in the map that after Pratapgarh, the next reporting point is Bodar, and very next after that is Sierra Golf. That's why I've written Godard and Sierra Golf in this part. Now we are moving ahead, means the aircraft is going more, it is going towards the destination, and now that aircraft has reached Sonder. The flight level is remains same. Now what else I have to change? Let's see, find out the Ahmedabad control or any other changes are there. I hope this will change. Obviously I rub it off. Now at Sondra we'll find out in the map. We have to contact which ATC unit. So Songarh is here. Okay, this is the whole map. Okay, the Songarh is here, and the Songarh, we have to find out the lines around the Songarh is these black lines. So this is the whole terminal maneuvering area. So this area is the whole terminal maneuvering area, and we have to find out which terminal maneuvering area I am in. So you can see Mumbai TMA here and Mumbai TMA here, and it is starting from 150 up to unlimited. So let's find out how many ATC units we have in Mumbai. So we have SMC, tower, approach and control. So tower is starting from ground level to 70 up to 40 nautical miles, then approach is 70 to 460 up to 100 nautical miles. So 460 is not matching with the lower limit of Mumbai TMS, so we have to convert, or we have to take the upper limit of approach is 150 as 70 to 150. We cannot take 460. If you have watched my previous video, I have explained it why we are not taking 460 as the upper limit of approach, in case when the upper limit of approach is not matching with the control's lower limit. So lower limit is 150 and we are at flight level 340, so we'll be contacting the lower limit of control is 150, so we'll be contacting Mumbai control in this area. And after Sondra, the estimate next is active, and the last one is your destination. So there are changes from the last example. So we'll be contacting Mumbai. I'm writing Bravo Mumbai control, but I'll be pronouncing Mumbai. Victor Tango Foxtrot Charlie on 124 decimal liner, which is the ATC frequency. If you can see on the map, it is 124 decimal liner. Then position, I'm going as per the format, and then fifth is give position. So I'll be saying over Sierra Golf, and then time I'll take 1955, flight level 340, Alpha 474. Now estimate is active, as we have already seen in the map. It is active, and I'll add 10 more minutes, so it will become 2005 Bravo next. Okay, and next is ETA Bravo 2025. But can you see that we are saying Bravo twice, while we have already given the time estimate of the reaching estimated time of arrival of Mumbai 2025. Then also we are saying Bravo next. So does it seems like something is wrong with it? Means we are saying something extra. So yes, we are saying one thing extra, which is Bravo next, because it doesn't mean if you are reaching your destination, this part will go off. This is not required. Now you can say straight away estimate active 2005 and ETA Bravo 2025. If in case your very next is after your estimate is your destination. Now in the same case, suppose we reached active. So now the same flight level is same, everything's same. I'm not you'll be, some guys will be thinking at activate, which is the last position reporting point, I'm still at my cruise flight level. I'm not in the mood, or you can say I'm not putting so much complication in one sentence or in one example. I just wanted to clear few things. Yes, obviously if you are reaching your destination, your flight level will go down, but I'm not, in this case I'm not changing my flight level, because I want to explain something else. Suppose you are active, so this Mumbai control will remain same, because Mumbai active, at active also Mumbai control is there. Victor Tango Foxtrot Charlie Charlie will remain same, frequency will remain same, position, now the position will change and time will change. So the position will be now active, and time I'll take 2005. Okay, flight level is 340, alpha 474. Now again you can see the estimate. If I just say estimate, the very next position reporting point from active is Bravo Bravo Bravo. So if I say estimate Bravo 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 2025, does it seem correct? Because I am saying estimate, again I am giving the ETA. So yes, if your destination is coming, or you are reaching your destination, there is no other point after your current position, there is no point in between, so you can leave this, or you can omit this part of the format. So it will be, there will be no sixth point, the sixth point will be omitted. You can say directly ETA, or you can give directly ETA Bravo 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 2025. So it will go like Mumbai control Victor Tango Foxtrot Charlie Charlie on 124.9 position over active 2005, flight level 340, alpha 474, ETA Bravo 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 2025. So this is how position report is given. I have given 3 examples in which we have some kind of different, or we are doing some extra, or something we are removing from the format. So you can see this is how we have to manage, or you have to take in your mind that when you are reaching your destination, estimate point can be omitted. So this is the position report. I think there is nothing left in this thing. This is a very basic, and I hope that you guys will do practice on it, and you can give positions if you want to practice on it. In the same flight plan, whatever position reporting points are coming in between from Delhi to Mumbai, you can give position reporting point, and you can give, or you can put on the comment that I have made so many answers. You can check it out, or means I'll reply in that whether it is correct or not. So till then, please like this video. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel, which is Captain Classes. Like, share and comment. If you have any suggestion, please comment down below. Till then, fly high.